Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to answer the big question, can you have two Cash App accounts? The short answer is yes. Whether you want to separate your personal and business finances or simply keep different spending categories organized, Cash App allows you to create another account for as long as you use different sign-in credentials and follow their account setup requirements. So the first thing that you need to do is open your Cash App on your phone or any device, and this is very important, log out of your current account. Okay, so once you're logged out, do not sign back in. Instead, I need you to tap the sign up to create a brand new account. Now, I need you to enter a different email address or another eligible sign-in credentials. Avoid using the same exact credentials as your existing account. Then follow the on-screen prompt to complete the registration process. Now, after your new account is created, you will be asked to link a debit card or bank account. To keep your accounts separate and organized, it's a good idea to link a different debit card or bank account to this new Cash App account. This is especially useful if you're using one account for personal expenses and the other for business or side income transactions. And then continue following the prompt until your payment method has been successfully added. Now, this is kind of a suggestion because once your account is set up, you can order a Cash App card for that new account. And to make it easy to tell your cards apart, I want you or you have the ability to customize the new card with a different color, pattern, or design. This way, you'll instantly know which card belongs to which account and avoid mixing up your personal and business spending. So I've been doing this for quite some time, so I ordered a new Cash App card just to make sure that I'm using the right card for the right transaction. And then you need to enter the email address because this will be emailed to you for the virtual Cash App card, and the physical card will be mailed to your billing address. And basically that's it. That's how you create a second Cash App account that can be a convenient way to separate your finances and stay organized. Just make sure each account is set up according to Cash App's current requirements, uses its own eligible sign-in credentials, and has its own payment method when appropriate. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.